Hi everybody. Today I'm making pasta right there. Pasta. I'm making pasta for my family and all this stuff. So, yeah. It's gonna be really, really tasty. Really, really nice. Alright, come here. Alright. You see me? Really much better. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Crank. Camera. Pasta. Pasta is bubbling and I'm making pasta for my family. Alright. So, and there's also, I'm going to be cooking bread in there too. Point that at. Yes. And also that's my kitchen over there. Right over there. That's my kitchen that I'm going to use forever. Okay, come over here. Come over here back. And also, as you can see, I made pizza soup for my grandma. And she hasn't tasted it yet, but I made pizza soup yesterday when I got out of a package in my first video. So this is the ultimate kitchen where I cook all sorts of foods. And here's Lily. Lily Cam. Oh, she ran away. Alright, so gonna do it, and pasta and bread, pizza soup. She likes the pizza soup up her day, and I have to do all that dishes. Look at all the dishes. It's gonna be like a ton. Well, alright, bye guys.